Hey, team. Wanted to walk through the 15.6 planning issue as we start refinement on the issues in that milestone, talk through the theme and the goals, and get some headlines into 15.7 as well. So 15.6 is all the way out into November when we're going to release it. So it seems like forever away after having just kicked off 15.5, which is the October release. But wanted to get going talking about it. So our theme in the milestone is improve the understanding of pipeline types and what's happening in them. Our goals for the milestone, always meeting our reliability issue SLOs. Those are always getting verified P1s. Those are things like security, data loss, anything super top of that prioritization table. Following that is a goal that contributes to the theme. So delivering issues to better understand the pipeline types, where pipelines fail to start or when they fail to start. So we have the back end and the front end issue both around new pipeline labels for the unlabeled merged results pipelines. So both of those issues are in the milestone. We've done plenty of refinement on those. Those should be ready to pick up and go. The other is a update around when a max job limit is reached. We don't do a great job today of showing a user what has happened. Their pipelines just fail or are canceled. So we want to improve the usability there. So if you hit a limit, you know why you hit a limit and you understand, hey, I need to just wait until some jobs clear out and then I can start this pipeline. And then the next issues in phase 1.1 of the CI job token work. So exposing the job scope token API for introspection. And as I was looking at this issue the other day, I saw it was actually picked up, and I think that this might be merged. So we may be able to close this. So the only next step there would be a better understanding of how many projects have that on by default. So some data work there. So some issues to note as you dig in here. We have already some confidential issues that are tagged for verified P1. We're starting to burn down some of the back end of those security issues, and that's what those are. So you can dig in there and take a look, but I won't hover over. And then some of the issues here, making it easier to understand the pipelines, one of our goals. I'll get the rest of the goals issues plugged in here as well. And it looks like I have some cleanup to do. Cost factors out into 15.8, shouldn't be in 15.6. And the object model realignments on the merge train. As we're thinking about timing for the milestone, what we may do is shift some of the work that doesn't align to the goals out. That'll give us time and space to go back into the CI minutes epic and clean up any of the lingering tech debt that's there and really close that out so that we have solid code base that we can iterate on in the future and really have met all of our goals and don't have that lingering tech debt, especially the milestones around the holidays. So 15.7, 15.8, that's probably going to be the focus. Which looking into then 15.7, the big theme is making that CI job token more useful and standard. So with the work to enable the new workflow for the CI job token for inbound projects, enabling inbound projects to use the CI job token and run pipelines on MRs in your project, we want to make that secure CI job token a default for new projects. So this is going to be the issue to deliver in the milestone. Goals, as always, though, meeting our reliability SLOs. And we want to see, this isn't tied to an issue, but have some projects that have that CI job token set based on the data issue that we had back in 15.6. So 15.7 is December, I believe, if I'm doing my milestone and calendar math right. So already looking like a pretty slim milestone, anticipating some folks being out. And like I said, getting that CI minute work done. 15.8, you can expect the same thing. So again, a pretty slim milestone. We'll probably have some OKR issues that come up in Q4 because that's when that will be that we'll be working on, but also leaving plenty of time and space for that CI minute work to finish up or the CI job token work. So those are some headlights into 15.6 and 15.7. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be uploading this to Unfiltered here shortly and post to the Slack channel. Cheers.